Today, we're excited to showcase our advanced CNC double-head aluminum profile cutting machine, specifically designed for aluminum profiles. This machine is its intelligent automatic profile length positioning system. Combined with the automatic clamping system, the aluminum profile is securely held in place throughout the cutting cycle, minimizing vibration and maximizing precision. Offer the flexibility of both precise 90-degree cutting for standard square cuts and accurate 45-degree inward cutting for creating beveled edges and corner joints. This machine is the perfect solution for manufacturers producing modern aluminum windows, aluminum doors, and aluminum kitchen cabinets. Our CNC double-head aluminum profile cutting machine is also designed to handle ultra-short profile cutting with exceptional accuracy. Furthermore, the inclusion of fully automatic material feeding and intelligent walking cutting functions significantly boosts productivity, allowing for continuous and automated processing of multiple profiles. The result? A remarkably smooth and exceptionally precise cutting finish on every aluminum profile. Choose JH-CNC Machinery. Choose expertise and reliability.